Drop it.
But you're not that quiet. Well, get out of here. What are you doing?
Nodding.
Time to get to work.
Tom, you're
Can't
cool.
win. Bleed for me.
What sensitivity do you guys play on?
I don't know. Whatever one it is now, I can't remember.
Give me your head. Sure you can run to your death.
I love when the zombies run up to the windows. They look all confused and like just stand there.
I know.
Want me to get a crawler?
Cool.
Want me to get a crawler?
Yeah. Got a crawler.
Tactical.
Oh, sick.
Oh shit, he's fast.
Unloaded on Ganza. He's outside.
Oh shit.
Okay.
Nick. I have 7 bullets left in my chest.
I'll cover you. Just kill Ganza.
What the hell? What the fuck? What the fuck?
Oh, you're stuck on. Are you stuck on that thing?
Yeah, what the fuck? Are you kidding me? Wow. That is freaking gay. What the fuck?
Wrong move, zombie.
Okay, yeah. Luca, keep the crawler away from me. I said, keep the crawler away from me.
Crawler, come here, you freaking dumbass.
My god.
Oh my god.
Okay, George. Take it easy.
Like, yes, I can't move sideways, but he's in front of me. That makes sense.
Don't worry, you still have enough Fortet Juggernauts.
Yeah, but I would have had enough to buy more stuff.
2 beans.
I don't know, man. This fucking corner bullshit in this game is fucking...
And my controller battery's low.
It's working. He's calming down.
Get a cable and charge it up.
Shit, I ain't used to this cold.
Yeah, thanks, Jesus. Just I sit far away from my TV, so
And sit right beside it.
no, because it's big and it hurts my eyes.
I'm okay.
What the hell?
God, I hate how it like.
Why does he have the power to like summon earthquakes?
Huh?
Why does he have like earthquake power? Like no, when he yells, just it's earthquake.
I don't know earthquakes make you walk slower.
I know. This isn't Pokemon, man.
Shut up. I am. I'm just unloading my L96.
I ain't used to this cold.
Okay, George.
No.
Take it easy.
No.
Can't survive long in this water.
I Yeah, or kill him. Iron knife him when you're dead. And then. This game. Oh, I hate the corner crap in this game. Oh
I know,
no,
it
corner.
sucks.
Well, like he's in front of me and I can't move to the side, even though whatever.
Don't maximum.
Man, they gotta have Dead Islands
It's
freaking super
gay 'cause,
kick.
like he like walks inside of you. Like, he doesn't
Is
just
Dead
walk,
Island
like, he's
multiplayer?
inside.
Yes, it's basically made to be a multiplayer game.
What do you mean it's basically made?
Well, yeah, it's campaign and it's meant to be. It's all campaign. And it's meant to be played multiplayer. Like all the cutscenes are multiplayer and stuff. It's meant to be a multiplayer game.
Oh.
Yeah.
But there's no like servers and shit for it. It's just like
What?
What are you saying?
like
Okay, just stop. You're sounding stupid.
You know what multiplayer is?
You know what multiplayer is?
Hey, what do you mean there's no servers? Well, how can
I mean-
find one?
Strong move, zombie!
Never mind, I'm
You're autistic with your with your deaths, and you're autistic in real life. Good for you.
wow.
It's 3 deaths in round 3, and now no servers in multiplayer games.
Okay, I got a crawler.
Okay.
Now I have 2.
1 armor fast.
No,
Silver
not that
fast. Silver fast.
I'm gonna try for a
How
scavenger.
about you suck a dick?
Kill the fast guy.
Oh, it's not fast. It's medium speed, I guess. Why are you killing it? It's not
I'm
even
not, I was
fast.
shooting.
Why are you shooting George?
I was trying to go out the window, not the door to get,
The window?
shit. I saw the window to the right of me and I just said window. I was going out the lighthouse door to buy a 74U and I didn't shoot him, he just charged me. And he summoned earthquake powers.
This
VR.
comes from the future, something?
I get sleight of hand. I get just a sleight of hand.
All 96
I'll pop up
again.
From the wings.
What do you know? It's Picnic Kid.
Og. Just stay like this, then.
The auxiliary weapon, as I
You still buying?
toss it.
Ask her, are you still buying?
No, I'm good.
He's too low.
I'm out like
Let's do
out.
lunch sometime. How
Let's do
about
lunch
now?
I'm gonna kill the crawler, okay?
Bug you.
Huh?
I'm gonna kill the crawler.
No, don't kill Ball. Don't kill her, what are you doing?
No, don't kill Ted crawlers. No.
Shut up!
I bet you any money from the beat teddy bear and I'm gonna get fucked over.
Nope.
I still wouldn't call this a nice day.
Wow, fucking crossbow.
Spouse.
Yes. A children's plush toy.
Stop
shooting him!
I'm gonna unload with my crossbow. Where is he?
Crossbow doesn't do like any
bringing him to,
damage to him.
Here.
Crossbow barely does damage to him.
It really does damage to him?
Barely, like.
Barely.
Oh,
B-A-R-E-L-Y.
Excuse me, is there anyone out there that would be...
Going for one. So if I get a scavenger, yay. If not, go.
He's crazy.
Nope.
Shackles and my backwards. Get into waters. Wormus. Come closer.
Okay, go to the box. I'm gonna kill the crawler. Just crossbow will do no damage.
Yeah, there'll be no damage.
No, it barely does damage. Just eventually we'll kill him later. Yeah, nothing though. Barely any. He has 750,000 health. My God, hurry up.
Okay, I don't have speed cola, chill. Wow, he missed.
You're shooting his arm.
His roaring's annoying.
Up there.
Okay, you can hurry up.
Yeah, man, chill.
Set her up. Just save it for speed cola. Why are you buying?
No, because I just have an AK.
I have AK and FAMAS.
Okay, whatever, leave it like that. Okay, let's continue to kill the crawler. Oh no, or he does. Okay, I'll run around in the lighthouse. Someone run around out here, and then someone run around.
Okay, you're running around now?
Yeah. Let's hope I don't die from shenanigans.
I'm telling you,
45
it's
minutes
good
to get
boy's word for sure.
Take like 30
Yeah.
with no traffic.
Max ammo.
Yeah, I think there's traffic at 10 o'clock.
There's sometimes
Yeah, I don't know what roads you
like highway.
take. That's the fucking major highway.
Órale!
Fast when there's no traffic. But when there's
There's
traffic,
never traffic there.
sometimes. Like, I'm not even kidding.
So we got max ammo?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, you just realize that? Oh, wow. Are your TVs that broken?
No, I just didn't hear it.
Or are you weren't paying attention?
Look, your TV's real quiet. I don't know why you're talking.
I don't know how they freaking broke.
It's really-
It's like randomly freaking.
Oh my god. I'm almost dead.
There's a crawler. Who got
I'm
that?
almost dead. I'm not fucking doing that shit. And we got another max ammo.
I pick up the max.
Oh, it's blinking. So
Plenty of
I'm
balas
fucked
now!
How'd you almost die?
Because they got triple hit.
Yo, I just realized, like, when you switch out the AK-74U a lot, it's gonna look like the HS-10.
Wow.
I know. If I upgrade, what should I upgrade? AK-74U.
We gotta break in the storm.
Upgrade your head.
Let's make the most of
Don't
it.
upgrade the FAMAS. The FAMAS is not a zombie gun. It sucks.
That's true.
It's a
It shoots
multiplayer
out.
gun.
It's way too. It shoots way too fast. Wastes ammo too fast. It's true.
No, I mean, it doesn't have a lot of ammo. It's weaker compared to other assault rifles. Just not that good. Fire sale, I need it.
How up is that?
Luke, I need it. Go once and then...
Oh my!
No, now he's gone, so come here. Don't go to the box. We need to revive him.
I know.
I got insta rape.
Okay, bring them down the slide. Bring them down the slide. And...
Man, this'll freeze your weapons right off.
Wait, you guys coming from the slide?
yeah.
Yeah.
Cover me. There's someone right in front of me. Cover me. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him.
Vamos a bailar, zombie!
Max ammo.
Max ammo.
Yeah, I'm booking Juggernaut.
Okay, Luca, get out of my lighthouse.
I'll go with you. I'm coming behind you, Black
I'm
Mage.
already there. You a crawler or what?
Yeah.
I'll make one. Okay, well, why did you lead them the other way? I'm making a crawler. Stop leading them backwards!
I cut you up bad.
Should I upgrade 74U?
Not now.
Should I go by box?
That's what I'm doing.
Nope. Oh, you could have been designated reviver. Come on, man.
Don't you want to know how it ends?
No.
Wow. Wow, really?